Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a stop by the Cana boat launch pier here and take a look what the condition looks like after the storm Princess passed through 2.5 weeks ago. Like this area need to be fixed, but you can bank fishing here. There's some shade here you can fish at. This dock right here, you can set your rod against the rails here. Pretty shady area. This morning the weather has been getting much cooler, so walking over here, got all these posts here with lights. Might be a good spot for crapping. I'm not sure how you do with crapping in this area. Everything seems to be really nice and clean. Here's the current wind condition and weather forecast for today. Right now we're gonna head on over to the pier, see how it looks over there. Let's walk over to the pier. Here is all the rules. No swimming. Got two guys fishing out here right now. Let's see how they do out here, guys. 3 guys. See if any of them are in the 504 fishing group here. Here is the roof for the pier. The water does looks pretty yellowish, not that clear on this side. Hello guys, any luck?
Scott here.
Oh yeah. Got the cutting table over here. Some chain to keep it in place. Any luck, sir?
No, one small catfish.
Okay.
One catfish.
You've been here for long?
About a couple hours.
Couple hours. Kind of slow, huh?
It is slow. It is slow.
Okay.
It's gonna pick up though.
Yeah.
It's gonna pick up.
Yeah, I was catching a lot of tilapia yesterday on cast net, a little bit further down.
Once they start, they start.
Yeah. Alright, have a good one, sir.
Same here, sir.
Bye bye. Pretty windy. The water's pretty dark. Not that clear. Check what's the tide look like is 0.75 tide right now. You see how the wind look like. The wind is 14 miles per hour, west northwest. Checking the weather forecast here. Weather forecast 15 miles per hour west, 76 degrees. Feels much nicer, much cooler. So this afternoon might be good for fishing, guys, with the storm just pushing all the fish in from Florida. This might be start to be pretty good to be fishing in Louisiana. Alright guys, please like, subscribe, and drop me a comment for more. Peace. This is by the west end point. Water flow is pretty high right now. We're at 6:41 p.m. Here at the west end point, and my girls enjoying their Fusino ice cream coffee. It's the water look like. Someone shooting or something. Oh, fireworks, huh? A lot of people join on the other side of the lake.